Had the boat all ready to go out, and one of the batteries is acting up. Gotta leave it home. But we're gonna go hit up this fishing dock. I'm planning on picking up minnows. Yeah, I got it set up for 1 jig and 2 minnow poles. Go out there and test our luck. Oh yeah. Get these in the water as quick as possible. Got one.
There you go. Nice crappie. That's where I was fishing earlier when I saw mine.
All right. Yeah, 10 and a quarter.
Yeah, tournament today. Notice how many minnows did you pick up?
A 9-incher. Too little. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go straight minnows.
Right in the lip. Right in the lip. Yeah.
That might be. Oh, all right. About 42.
I'm not hanging out with y'all, but y'all going to sleep, so.
Let's see what it was. 3 years ago today.
Y'all doing anything out there?
Got a couple.
A couple short crappie and 2 keepers.
What y'all? Is that what you're fishing for, crappie?
And yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Minnows?
Minnows.
Yeah.
Right on. I'm surprised nobody's in here.
Oh, there goes one.
Got one?
Yeah. And he might be a 10.
Mike, yeah, you got a stretcher.
Swish. 9.5. Perfect dive. Almost. No.
You better stop catching that same fish, man.
I know. They just need to be 1/2 inch bigger.
Look like it might make it.
I was like, I ain't even putting it down.
The same pole?
Yeah. Well, I just kept reeling it because I think they're chasing it up. What's that?
Grabbed it on the way down.
Well, I just hit bottom and it's reeled like 5 super slow. And then he decided to get it. This isn't a crappie. Oh, maybe it is. Oh yeah, keeper. Yes. Keeper. Skin hooked. Guess we'll measure them just cause. Let's see. 11. Damn it. Which one should I go for? This one probably lost it. Let's do it. It's gonna be that one. Yeah, 11 and a quarter. Oh. Hey, he went for that big minnow. I don't even know how he got that hook in his mouth.
All the other fish is gone.
Man, with the real small reels, we started at 5 and then we went up to about 7. Yeah, like that size reel.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So they're.
Uh-oh. This one's a crappie. We've caught like so many 9s.
Really?
Mm-hmm. There's bigger ones somewhere.
Yeah, that's not
This one died. Good. I'm missing one right now.
Oh, again? That's a baby fish.
Yeah.
If they're small ones, there should be some big ones.
Oh, yeah.
No, I was
Got him.
Baby white.
It is that time.
That was 2 off the bottom.
Oh, I ain't trying to catch that one. Yeah, these guys got the sharp spines.
Kitty cat.
Oh, he's so slimy. It's got a 6-incher. Another 9. 9 3/4.
12 and a half. It's not as heavy as Carlos's was, but
Look at this one.
oh, God. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, damn, nice. Slow down, fool.
No, I ain't trying to get caught under the cable like you.
You're traumatized. Oh, that one's got some weight.
Yeah, that seems pretty big.
Yeah, going straight up, trying to go under the.
Damn. Dang, that one's like 14.
Your left one going off.
Yeah.
Okay. 13 and a half.
I know that one looked good. Boat slip. Yeah, I am. Here, get this one. Yeah. I'm just gonna have to shake them off.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got it.
All right. Cool.
Yep.
Is that on your jig?
Mm-mm. On one of the last micros.
Oh man, I hope this is not the pole that I'm missing. Fuck, I can't let him run too much.
Missing
I'm gonna
what?
run out of line.
No, you ain't. You're good. You got it. That fish is gonna get tired. To be continued.
Yeah, damn.